Alright, so I'm figured I'd do a little video series on pulling my engine out on my 300 SD. My timing chain tensioner failed, and I don't know if y'all can see it right down there. Tensioner pushes out on this race for the timing chain to slide on, and obviously when it revved up, its timing chain pulled out and the tensioner got stuck out and won't, you see I can push it in just a little bit, but it won't keep tight. And yeah, so my timing chain broke, and I'm gonna pull the engine out again. I just got done putting a 4-speed swap in it. I will have some videos up about that hopefully pretty soon, but you can't really see, but it is now a 4-speed. And I drove it for a month, I think, before this happened. And yeah, so now I'm busy trying to pull the engine out. So what I've done so far, pulled the fan off. I went ahead and put my bolts back in on the pulley, that way I don't have to pull my alternator and everything, because I'm not tearing the engine completely down. And pulled the shroud off, it's got a couple clips. Pulled the radiator, made a mess doing that. Went ahead and pulled my reservoir tank here and the battery. More than likely what I'm going to do is, once I get everything out, I'm going to repaint the car, because it is supposed to be blue, supposed to be that color blue, and it's got gray fenders and a bunch of Bondo work done to it because it has been flipped on its top. But it's still a really good running car. Love it with the 4-speed behind it. So yeah, so I've got my vacuum line pulled off, my power steering fluid lines pulled off. I've got to get my 2 fuel lines, my vacuum lines, got my exhaust pulled off. I got to pull bell housing bolts and starter wires, but you'll probably see that in another video. So yeah, I'm just going to go through and start taking stuff out.